Hey guys, we are back with another video showing you things that will just completely change your life. So, Lavinso sent me a foot peeling mask. They actually sent me 4 of these. So, you're gonna see how I put them on, the directions. The directions are actually so simple. This is what it looks like, and here are all the directions. It literally goes step by step for you. It's like a dummy down. So I will say though, the active ingredients in this are water, alcohol, glycerol, lactic acid, malic acid, sorbitol, butylene, glycol, papain, aloe vera extract, citric acid, and salicylic acid. So stay tuned to see how this pans out. So the first thing it says to do is clean and dry your feet. So I will be right back. Okay, so now that the feet are clean and dry, step 2 is take out the foot mask and cut along the dotted line as indicated, but I'm gonna need scissors. So we've got the scissors and I've got the masks out, and I just realized that there were 2 of these in one box. I only thought that they sent me 1 pair, but it says to cut along this dotted line right here, so that is what we are going to do. Just right along the dotted line. Okay, step 3 says put your foot into the mask and seal it with the tape in the pack. It came with tape. I have never had a foot mask come with tape. Yikes. That is cold. So, okay. Then we're gonna take the tape. I should probably have my tape in it. Okay. Like so. Okay. Okay, so it says to wear the mask for 60 minutes, then remove the mask and rinse your feet with water and soap. It says it will start peeling between 3 to 7 days after the initial application. For better peeling performance, please keep feet in warm water for 10 minutes each day. So I did put socks on over the mask just so I could walk around a lot easier. So it has been the better half of an hour, probably a little bit longer because I forgot. So we're gonna take this off. Ew. So at this point, I will update you guys with pictures when they start peeling. Stay tuned.